In this video, I will demonstrate how to add a custom logo to email notifications in Shopify. So first things first, log in to Shopify admin account and then select settings. Then click on notifications. Then select customize email templates. Now right in here, you have an option to add a custom logo. In case you don't have one, you can use Shopify's free logo maker to create one. So let me go ahead and click on add image. And now I'm going to search for the logo. It should be right here. I have two options. So I'm going to use this one. And then let's click done. And now we have to adjust the logo size. So let's keep it roughly at 70. And let's press save. And now here's the logo. In fact, if I go back, it's going to be added to every single template, like order invoice, payment reminder, and so on. So that's pretty much it. I hope you found this tip useful. If more Shopify tutorials, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.